Welcome to the session number 2 of the Sysmac studio. In the lesson number 1, we have learned how to program an input to energize an output. In the lesson number 2, we will modify this logic a little bit. Let's suppose that we need to energize this output after 1 second when this input is energized. So when this input is energized after 1 second, we will energize this output. For this particular application, we need to insert here a timer block. Specifically, we will use here the T on or time on delay timer. We'll go to the timer tab and drag and drop this T on timer instruction here. Now here we have to enter the function block. We will enter here T on underscore 1 and we will enter here T hash 0 minute and 1 second. And this is the elapsed timer and this is the elapsed time to monitor the current value of the time. We will insert here or create here a variable called eTime. Next we will go online. We'll synchronize both offline and online programs. Transfer to controller. Now as you can see that if I energize this input at 0, the output only energize after the 1 second timer is over. Let's try once more. As you can see that the output is only turning on after 1 second delay. So that's the end of the lesson number 2. See you guys in the lesson number 3. Till next time, take care. Goodbye.